The Lenspen Sensor Clear System. Let there be light. Sensor cleaning. Safe, easy, and fast. This video will explain the following. How the Lenspen Sensor Clear System completely changes the world of sensor cleaning on digital SLR cameras. A step-by-step approach to sensor cleaning that anyone can learn in a few minutes. Anyone who changes lenses will sooner or later get a dust particle on their camera's sensor. The single biggest problem that all of us have had when we try to clean the camera sensor is that we simply cannot see what we are doing. The dust particles are tiny and the sensor chamber is dark or filled with shadows. None of the cleaning systems efficiently remove the dust. We wasted far too much time going back and forth trying to locate the dust particle, and more often than not, we found we simply moved the dust around from one spot to another. We all were frustrated, until now. The Sensor Clear Loop is the first and only device in the sensor cleaning market today that allows you to see and clean at the same time. This amazing device has enabled people who never before cleaned a camera sensor to clean like the pros and then proclaim, "Are you kidding? I never imagined it could be this easy." Here's how it works. The loop is completely protected for storage and travel by a strong body cover and snap-on, snap-off cap. Let there be light. 4 high-powered long-life LEDs light up the sensor chamber. A 6 times fixed magnification, high-quality optical lens locate any dust particles on the sensor surface. The eyepiece lets you see everything clearly. The convenient access window lets you clean the sensor and watch at the same time. Graduated step rings on the base allow the loop to easily fit on any lens mounting ring. Batteries come installed and are easy to access and replace when needed. Finally, we can see and clean at the same time. This enables us to target directly to the specks of dust only and not blindly flail about in all directions on the sensor surface. With the Sensor Clear Loop, sensor cleaning changed. It's safe, you can see what you're doing. It's easy, of course. It's fast, reduces cleaning time by 80% or more. The Sensor Clear System. Here are all the tools you will need for cleaning. Lenspen Sensor Clear Loop, Lenspen Hurricane Blower, Lenspen Sensor Clear 2. Here are the steps to follow. Remove the camera lens and put it to one side. Place your camera in sensor cleaning mode. Slide off the body cover and remove the eyepiece cap on the Sensor Clear Loop. Slide the light switch to the on position. Mount the Sensor Clear Loop on the lens mounting ring. Look through the eyepiece and inspect the sensor surface. If the surface is clean, you are finished. Put the lens back on to stop any more dust particles from entering. If there are dust particles, go to the next step. Holding the camera firmly in the position shown here, position the hurricane blower tip on the outer edge of the chamber and blow the dust out. The blower is an excellent tool. It easily removes dry dust. It's safe to use since nothing touches the sensor surface. It's inexpensive to buy. There can be 2 kinds of dust on the sensor. Dry dust. 95% of all our problems are simply dry dust particles, and these are easily removed with the blower, and sticky dust. This is any dust not removed by the blower. This kind of dust will often occur in human environments where a tiny bit of moisture causes the dust to stick. Look through the loop eyepiece again and inspect the sensor surface. If the surface is clean, you are finished. If there are still some dust particles, they will be sticky ones. Go to the next step. To clean the sticky dust, we use a Sensor Clear 2. Adjust the articulated cleaning tip to the desired angle. Insert the Sensor Clear 2 into the access window on the side of the Sensor Clear Loop. Move the cleaning tip directly to the dust particle. Gently push the dust particle with the edges of the cleaning tip. The purpose of the Sensor Clear 2 is simple. Make the piece of sticky dust stop sticking. The dust particle has only 2 choices. Stick to the cleaning tip and we pull it out, later use a blower to remove the dust from the cleaning tip surface, or it can be then removed with the blower again. Rotate the camera body as required to reach all parts of the sensor. The three-cornered cleaning tip can easily reach into the difficult-to-clean corners of the sensor. If you require more room for the Sensor Clear 2 to access the sensor, then turn the height adjust screw in a clockwise direction, and the inner core of the loop will move a little higher inside the body. Look through the eyepiece again and confirm the sensor surface is all clean. Then put the lens back on. Slide the light switch to the off position, snap on the eyepiece cap, and slide on the body cover. The Sensor Clear system by Lenspen. Everything just got a whole lot easier when we threw some actual light on the problem and made use of simple but effective cleaning tools. The Sensor Clear system by Lenspen. It works, it's easy to use, it's great value for money. For more information, go to www.lenspen.com.